because of pollution and pollution, which makes me angry and little sad. I love my families, friends, in my jungle, but people are hunting animals and cutting trees. We cannot stay with our families and we cannot play with our friends. Please save us. Don't cut tree. Let us enjoy our life as like you and make our world healthy. And don't make me angry next time. I am Minal Mapatra from UKC Poppy. Thank you. Shoo.